Hello, Generals! Share ko lang yung yesterday ganap. Kahapon nga ay may isinagawang media tour ang Department of Provincial Information Office lead by Ma'am Joanna Banting Lapore. Sa Robinson's Place parking lot nga nangyari yung meeting place namin. They rented 3 vans for this media tour and also provided us with water and snacks. First stop nga na grupo ay yung Tour Town Glen Landmark. It's the best spots to oversee the scenery of the beaches and the hills. Don't forget to stop by in this area when you come and visit Sar Bay Festival 2024, the ultimate beach party in the country.
We wanted to highlight that Sarangani Bay is a protected seascape, no? And because it's a protected seascape, lahat po ng activities natin is in line with the law and also in line with all the guidelines that is set by DENR and also by PUMP. No? Meron kasi talaga tayong specific na office that is directed to ensure the protection of Sarangani Bay.
After the quick briefing with picture taking and sightseeing, bumalik na po kami sa aming van to proceed to the new home of Sarbay Festival 2024, which is the Reyes Beach Resort. A few moments later nga, touchdown Reyes Beach Resort located at Gumasa, Glan, Sarangani Province, the new home of Sarbay Festival 2024. Police Colonel Denry R. Francisco, Provincial Director of Sarangani Province, discussed the safety guidelines and also assured us the public safety for the tourists and all the people who are going to join the Survey Festival
the Philippine National
2024.
Police Major Event Security Framework. This security framework is the one we're using sa mga major events natin. Like for example, in Manila, yung mga APEC, ASEAN, Miss Universe, Pope Visit, yan po yung in-employ doon during that major event. And fortunately, I was part of there before, so when I was assigned here, dito rin yan, I will be employing the same framework dito sa Sarbay Festival. And in fact, nagamit na rin natin yan before sa Monato Festival. I don't know if you were aware of that, but that framework we used resulted to a 0 incident dun sa Monato Festival. Kaya we rather use it dito para mas maganda yung ating preparations. This security framework na i-employ natin is composed of 7 major security components. Yan yung babantayan natin yung mga aside sa mga billeting ng mga guests natin, no, babantayan natin yan yung mga tutulugan nila. Then yung ating mga road security, traffic management, pangalawa yan. We also have the emergency response na kasama natin dito yung mga Bureau of Fire, Coast Guard, Red Cross, and PDRRMO na meron silang mga equipment na ilalagay dito at the same time para tugunan yung mga emergency responses natin.
So ayan, very convincing naman talaga na safe tayo dito kapag pupunta tayo sa Survey Festival 2024. Inaayos na nila yung venue at yung napakalaking stage natin. Ma'am Joanna Banting Lapore also gave more details and also answered the questions from the media.
So the information offices of the entire Sarangani province would like to convey yun sa inyo ang among pasalamat nga naamo dinhi. And Gov. Ruel and Ma'am Jobel are just so generous to allow us to have our time of fellowship here. Kaya kung manguta naman ko, diba? Dito ta sa conference room, oo, aircon man pero lisod man good mag-explain, maski na picture o drone shots, lahing yun nga naata dinhi.
Pagkatapos po ng media briefing, na-provide po ang Sarangani LGU ng pagkain for us and also give us IDs and t-shirts. Pag pumunta po kayo dito, I can assure you na hindi po kayo magugutom dahil madami po silang mga food stalls na nandito. So magdala lang po kayo ng maraming pera. Indeed, napakaganda talaga ng Reyes at white sand talaga siya, guys. Thank you so much, LGU Sarangani, PIO Sarangani, especially to Gob Roel and Ma'am Jobel Pacquiao for this media tour. Talaga naman, nag-enjoy kami at nabusog din. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Ready na ang lahat? Let's go to Survey Festival 2024. See you there!